If you've ever wanted to showcase a video right inside your HubSpot website, landing page, or blog post, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to upload and embed videos in your HubSpot content using their native video tool. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to add videos with confidence, but also how to make the most of HubSpot's built-in features for engaging your audience and even tracking who's watched your video. Let's get right into it. First things first. Let's talk about the tool we'll be using. HubSpot's video feature, powered by Vidyard, is definitely the recommended approach. Why? Because it allows you not only to host your videos directly within HubSpot, but also gives you rich engagement metrics, like seeing who watched your video and for how long. Plus, it's really easy to insert your video just about anywhere in your HubSpot content, whether that's a page, a landing page, or a blog post. So let's get started with uploading your video. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, head over to the main navigation menu and go to Marketing. From there, select Files and Templates, then go ahead and click on Files. This is your central hub for any kinds of media, images, PDFs, and of course, videos. Now, there's an option at the top that says Upload Files. Click that and choose the video file from your computer. It might take a minute depending on file size, so if your video is a little big, grab a sip of coffee and let HubSpot do the heavy lifting in the background. When it's done, your video will be safely hosted in HubSpot, ready to be placed wherever you need. Now comes the fun part, actually adding your video to your content. Open up the landing page, website page, or blog post you want your video to appear on and begin editing. Look for a rich text module, which is basically any place where you can type and format text, add images, or embed other types of media. Hover over that section and you'll see a menu. Find the Insert drop-down there and select Video. This is the doorway to integrating your freshly uploaded video right into your content. A pop-up window will appear showing you your available videos. Make sure you're on the HubSpot Video tab and select the file you just uploaded. Now, before you click Insert, let's talk briefly about customization options. You can adjust the player size, choose whether the video should autoplay, and even decide if you want to include a gated form within the video. This last feature is super handy if you're on Marketing Hub Pro or Enterprise and want to collect viewer info or leads directly through your video. For most basic uses, the default settings will work just fine. But if you have specific brand requirements or want to enhance user experience, take a minute to set things up exactly how you want them. Don't worry. You can always go back and tweak these settings later if you need to. Once you're happy, just hit Insert, and your video module will appear right where you placed it. Give your page a preview to see how it looks in action. I always recommend double-checking playback and display just to be sure everything works smoothly for your visitors. And that's it. You've now added a video to your HubSpot content using the native video tool. This not only makes your pages more dynamic, but also gives you valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your video content. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into a sticky spot, drop your comments below. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow HubSpot tutorials and tips, and I'll see you in the next one.